Wagwan people. Hey, listen, we're talking about fetish. A fetish is a form of sexual desire in which gratification is linked to an abnormal degree to a particular subject, item of clothing, part of the body, which is partialism. Many people hide it, but we know when the lights are off, anything goes. We know, don't hide it. So I have 3 guests with me today, and they are Etta, Yao, and Tamara. Now, guys, remember, if you want to share in the conversation, you should use our hashtag XCave on all our social media platforms. My name is Kevoy Burton. You have just entered my cave, the XCave. Guys, what's going on?
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Everybody cool? Yeah. Everybody relaxed?
Yeah.
All right. So it's going to be a relaxed conversation. Now, guys, we're talking about fetishes, yeah? First things first. What is your fetish? I want to know the fetishes of you people. Who wants to talk first? Everybody's scratching their head. Go ahead.
I'm the only guy, so I have to go first.
Yes.
Gentleman first.
You know, I sort of see myself getting off on some pain.
Some what?
Pain.
You like pain?
Yeah.
Ooh, I see. As in, you are getting the pain or you're inflicting the pain?
Either ways.
Either ways.
Yeah.
Ooh, all
What
right.
type of pain?
Hold on. Hey, don't try to move like you want distract us from asking you, Hey, hold on. We still come back. Tamara, give us yours. What's your fetish?
Seeing 2 men make out.
Okay, that is interesting. Etta, what's your fetish?
I like spanking.
You like spanking. You like to
Yeah.
be spanked or you like to spank?
Oh, I like to be spanked, but in the world we are, equality, so yeah, I like to do it too.
Hey, this is gonna be fiery. All right, first things first, Yao. Remember, you said pain.
Yeah.
Talk to us about that.
I sort of, I'm on the same page with her.
Oh,
so I'm spanking.
So you like to get the tools, like you have the tools at home in your bag? Oh, you have it in a toolkit. You have a toolkit of things that like spanking, spoons, and you can tell us, hey, there's no judgment on this show, There's no judgment on this show. Or do you just freestyle? You just use your hand, your
spanking,
foot?
yeah.
Just spanking?
Yeah.
Just spanking? Nah. You said you like pain.
Yeah.
And you like...
I get off on pain, so anything which will inflict some kind of pain, I guess.
So like a needle?
Yeah.
Can I push a needle like?
If you want to.
Oh, hey, hold
Wow.
on, hold on. So if a girl come in now and just punch in your belly, you're just like, oh yeah, baby, You like that, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, don't be shy.
You like your dick being squeezed? Like someone's squeezing your dick so fucking hard, like squeezing it like.
You're talking from experience, right?
Hey.
And I'm asking you, so you like pain?
Oh,
And so you
I'm
like-
sure I can manage it there.
If someone is squeezing what?
His dick. Like someone is squeezing, like squeezing, like give me. You know the squeeze I'm talking about.
Oh, the painful squeeze.
You
Like,
like
the one that,
hold it
I
like-
don't like that at all. I don't like that. Take your time.
No.
It is gentle, please. Thank you.
It
So
turns.
the question
it
was for
turns
y'all,
someone-
Yeah.
She was
Turns
asking him.
Yeah, I
So
mean,
you
I
like-
wouldn't mind. It would be a new experience for me anyways. So, I mean, the squeezing of the dick part, I would
Yeah.
say. So, I mean, but I'll be open to it if...
Please use penis.
What?
It is safe.
That's so you like me, like using a belt, between like
Slapping
hitting
it across
on
your
on
back.
not even on your back, on your dick, on the tip, like say on the belt, elbow cut you understand.
Hey, hold on. Hey, this is very demonstrative. Let's just let's pull it back a little bit.
That's pain.
All right, I understand what you're saying. We're not bashing you. We're not judging you. I actually like your questions that you're asking. You understand? So, you said you like to see 2 men making out. Eh?
Guys.
Yeah. Why is that? Why?
It turns me on, like the passion both of them have, like, is people see gays to be weird, but it turns me on. It actually make me want it. Because when you see the passion they have, see the kissing, how they get so hard for each other.
Sounds like you're getting
Like,
hot from it. Like you're
you
like,
know,
hey, what is
yeah, how one has to act like a girl, one has to.
All right.
Kind
All
of.
right, hold on. I know why you get into too many details. Yeah. You still have to remember this is TV. Yeah. But I understand. Eh?
I'll
Yeah.
mention your name when we are done. I can't wait to call you that name now.
Etta, you like to be spanked. Yeah? You say you like to be spanked. So you're an African, you're an African child. Yeah?
Yeah, of course.
And you grew up with African parents.
Of course.
Who beat? So how is this? I want to know.
Okay.
And no judgment, you know. No judgment, trust me. How is it that you like what you used to get as a, you know, something that you hated?
Okay, I mean, personally, I'm African, definitely, but my family don't believe in, like, hitting a child.
Are they American?
No, they're not, but, like...
Are they white?
What is the problem? They are not. No, they are not.
Yeah.
They are not, but my mother doesn't really believe in, like, hitting a child. She would always say, I will hit you. But she never gets to do it, actually. She would always say, I will hit you, you get me? So I can't extremely relate to so much, to the pain, like the extreme pain felt when maybe a parent hits you. And when I say spanking, I don't mean the hard spanking. Don't even try that. Like, do not dare.
When you
Don't
say
try
hard
that.
spanking, fetish is pain. You know, someone can
okay.
spank you so hard. That's so if a guy is coming and he spank you so hard, do you like that? Because when he's coming, he
No.
feels so good and he spanks you.
No, we're not getting there, please. We're not getting there.
No.
Okay,
I don't
piece
That
of-
means maybe
piece
there's
of the cheek
maybe
comes off
there
and
is-
it's
yeah,
hanging like
and
these
you know, you feel like, oh,
maybe there is a term for what I mean. Maybe it's not spanking.
I don't know. It's still,
you know,
it's still a fetish.
yeah,
It's
because
still a fetish.
I don't want, you know, I wish we had like rubbers here that we could use to demonstrate. So
You see now, you see
That's
what
by
you
the
want
way.
on my show.
That's by the way.
You want
So I'm saying that. I mean, not the extreme one. The, you know, just like a pat. Let me use a pat. That's better. Yeah.
Oh, like a small pat, like
a
a
small
tap.
pat. Yeah, like a small tap. Like but
Where's
you
the
know,
pain in that?
simultaneously. Sorry.
Where's the pain in that?
Well, I did not say I love pain.
You see,
I
fetish
said I
doesn't
like
have to be pain.
spanking. And it doesn't
yes,
have to be
it's,
It doesn't have to be
no,
pain.
it's abnormal.
Yeah.
No, so it doesn't have
No,
to be
but
small.
getting spanking
But
isn't
getting
a
spanking is not
normal,
so normal,
thing.
though.
It is. I can't spank you. That kind of.
You see, you, Tamara. You see,
I can't spank. You know, you can get spanked a little, like all this kind of spank.
It's
You
a
can get
fetish.
spanked.
Yeah,
You can get
but you-
spanked.
but you like to
get
be
spanked,
slapped.
then slapped.
you want a pepper slap.
It depends. It's mood of the mood.
Okay, mine doesn't. It doesn't amalgamate. Mine just remains in the like. You know.
Okay.
You just want a little small tap.
I guess.
So let me ask you
like,
something.
yeah, I
All right,
can
let me ask you. I've asked you guys your fetish, right?
Okay.
Do we get
So
to
tell
know
me.
yours, by the way?
Huh?
Do we get to know yours?
Yeah, I was hoping
I
you guys
got
are
to
the
know.
police. Who's the host here? I'm kidding. My fetish is mostly it's two women. It's two women. Yeah, or
Like
more.
a gangbang.
That's
Like
a
a
common
gangbang?
fetish.
Yeah.
No,
Gangbang.
No, I don't necessarily like gangbangs.
Okay.
You know, it's not that I wouldn't participate in a gangbang. I mean,
It's nice. It's nice
consensually,
watching.
guys.
Of course.
Consensually. I mean,
fetishes are
I've
always
taken part in an
consensual.
orgy before, but I've never, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I want to know, what is the weirdest fetish you guys have come across? Or you've heard about? I mean, personal. Like, I don't mean, you read about it on the internet.
Or
you-
seen.
Seen it, or a friend has told you that someone came to them with this type of fetish, and you felt that it was different.
Okay, so personally, I'd say a gangbang. My friend, whose name I definitely cannot mention, had like this, you know, had sex with like multiple men.
At one time,
Like they were
they just stuffed all the, they
this one
filled
would
all the
come
gaps.
and then this one would come and it's like, you know, it was just like one.
So it's one after the other, or
Yeah,
was it
that
like
kind of
three
thing,
at a
yeah.
time, or was it,
It wa-
like?
I mean, can you actually do it with 3 people at a time, especially when you
Sweetheart,
are the
anything
woman?
is possible. You know? Anything is possible.
yeah,
you know
but-
what I mean? As long as
yeah.
you're skilled enough.
I know.
As long as
But
you
yeah,
have
so
enough
that was
holes.
it. That was it. I thought it was interesting and courageous. So.
Okay. she admitted that she liked
Oh,
that.
she told me.
Oh, so
Of
she's
course,
gone
how
for
would
it.
I know? Of course, oh, she's, I mean,
She's strong. She's very strong. I like her.
she's some Tamara kind of girl. She is Tamara,
You know,
baby.
you see, you're assuming that Tamara is that type of girl.
No, I'm not.
Oh, but I like to watch men like
Yeah, based on what she
strip,
said, yeah.
strip, watch them play with yourself, kind of seduce, like, showing yourself, all those kind
You realize how
Yeah,
demonstrative she is. It's like, I like men,
Yes, like, I like them, like, okay, like gays, like playing with himself, all those kind of things. Just to watch, it turns me on, and automatically I'm good. I
Hey.
love it, yeah.
So hold on.
I'm the only person
Hold
that
on.
loves it.
God is going to love you after this or hate you. So,
They'll come for you.
it's either they do or they don't. It's one of the two. But let me ask you, what's the weirdest fetish you've come across? You don't seem to mind fetishes, and you don't seem to think that a lot of things are strange. What's the weirdest fetish you've come across?
Eating someone's poo.
Hey, you watched that video? You watched that video? 2 girls, 1 cup?
Yeah.
You seen that video? Please don't look it up.
I don't think I would see it.
No, but it actually turns them on.
Okay.
And,
Wow.
oh, okay.
So you've seen the video? 2 girls, 1 cup?
It's so weird. It's so
That
weird.
is a
It's
very
so
weird video. Have you seen that, y'all?
Oh yeah.
Of
So
course,
I'm
you have.
like, I'm like the odd one out, but it's okay.
You were at
Oh,
church.
that
and you
video,
seen that.
like the cool to actually taste.
She sounds like she's
Please, we don't.
I don't know, imagine myself.
I get it.
Yo, tell us. What's the weirdest fetish you've come across?
I have to say, a friend's experience. He was in the shower with a girl, and she gets on him peeing on her. She just likes that warm feeling.
So like
Yeah.
a Robert Kelly type of thing,
Yeah,
like a
yeah.
R. Kelly type of thing.
Inspired by R. Kelly.
No, come again, girl.
R. Kelly. Can you imagine that's what R. Kelly is inspiring people to do?
Come again. What did you say? You said.
She likes to get peed
The
on.
man
She
peeing
likes
on the
golden
Okay.
showers. She likes golden
Wow.
showers.
Yeah. It's a good word for it.
It's a good word.
Showers
Right?
of
Yeah.
blessing.
It's a golden shower. That's what they call it.
Golden shower.
So yeah, so the weirdest one I've come across is a friend of mine. She told me that there was this guy that came to her house and wanted to lick her armpits.
Okay.
Like he got off at licking her armpits. Like he wanted, like he really seriously, he was pressuring her. Like, hey, I need to lick your armpits.
Wow.
Yeah, like he wanted to lick it up, sweat and all.
Wow.
Yeah, he's just like, hey, this turns me on, and I'm just like, you know what? Whatever floats people's boats.
Both? That's good.
Dependent, actually. With me, that depend. Fetish are mostly, you have to be clean because it's more like kind of abnormal thing. It's crazy. So if you're not clean,
If it's not clean, then you would.
no,
be. But you would.
can't be a
So let's-
fetish.
so I
you
just
can't
come
be
home.
just a normal person, but you
So
can't be a
tomorrow we
fetish.
go home and I take a shower and I just bathe. You would lick out my armpits.
Yeah, why
Hey,
not? Yeah.
hey, Tamara.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I tell you, you're gonna get some boyfriends after the show.
I swear.
You're gonna get a lot of boyfriends after the
So
show.
just keep coming.
Yeah, because you showered.
Uh-huh.
You smell good.
Why not?
Looking at him. Oh,
Tamara is. Hey. So there was a girl that I met one time, and she told me that when she's giving me head, she wants me to slap her in her face,
Wow.
right? But
Yeah.
I mean, I couldn't do it.
why?
No, how can he do it?
Tomorrow
No,
I can't
it's
understand it.
encouragement.
Like I can't
The
slap
more
a
you do,
girl
she
while
goes
she's
crazy
giving me
for
something
you.
Her
like that.
face is down, so how can he do it?
No. Sweetheart, just this is a
You
good
hold-
thing. I rub down your head. I give you a nice little
Then
head
you
rub.
talk
and-
to her.
yeah,
Not the
sweetheart,
kind
hey,
of slap.
Take
but
your time, sweetie.
like,
Next thing you know, I slap her and the slap is hard and then all of a sudden her teeth gets involved and all these things.
no,
I'm not
everyone
yowing
will
her.
get involved. But
I'm
she'll
not
be,
yow.
what? So what? It's a turn on. Our fetish are a turn on. Even when it's pain, it's still a turn on. She can't complain.
But
Yeah.
like, he has a point though. What if she just hangs in there?
If you want to be a fetish, you can have mercy during that time. both of you look at your limit. You go. So slapping once I'm giving you a blowjob doesn't mean you're just gonna slap. All those kind of slap that are going to motivate me to, you know.
So, hold on, let me ask you something, guys. Let me ask you something. How do you discover that you have a fetish?
Okay, so personally, it's just something I found out that I liked, and
Like one day you were doing it and then somebody say, hey,
yeah.
Etta, hey, girl, hey, girl.
So it happened, and like I got spanked, and I found out that it wasn't bad. But the reason why I told Tamara that it definitely won't get that hard because it happened harder, and I'm like, yo, don't do that.
Like you're getting a beating.
You're like, yo, it's okay, don't do that.
How long
End it there, please. So then it made me realize that okay, this is the kind of limit I can go, and yeah. So
Okay.
I know what a fetish means. I know that spanking is a type of fetish and kinks, and so.
So you don't really like being spanked harder?
No, sister, no.
What
So
are
do
being
you like being
spanked?
spanked hard? You like being spanked hard? Because you keep asking girl the
Just
question.
like the fetish. Can I call you the fetish queen?
Hey, you've gone too far to not be shy. Now. You've gone way too far to be shy.
Can I call you the fetish queen though?
Yeah. I think
We
you
can give you that crown right now.
Talk to me, Tamara.
Actually, for her saying she don't like being spanked or hard, I don't know. Like, okay, most guys like spank him softly, and when they're kind of that crazy and so like well, let's say so amazed about you, like he spank you harder, not that harder, but harder. But for me, I have so many fetishes. Like, yes, I love being spanked. I love like.
We're listening to the list. Tell us.
waiting.
Oh, yeah. When she was saying that she only have one fetish, like being spanked, I was like, whoa.
You're like, hey, that's strange.
Because I believe everyone has, let's say, not more than 2 or 3 fetishes. Like,
Okay,
more.
tell us another one of your
special
fetishes.
then.
Like, some fetishes I know, some girls of my age prefer, like, going out with someone older than them, which people think it because of what they have. But actually, it's a fetish because I don't really like going out with someone young, someone of my age. Because
I understand.
ew.
You see, the thing is,
When I go,
Go
okay.
ahead, finish.
When I go for someone older, the experiences is
It's different.
it's very different. It's very different.
But I do have a fetish. I have a fetish for older women. I do
Say-
like older women who are like, you know,
with you
late
on that.
40s. And these things excite me to know that, you know, hey, this is a big woman. She doesn't want anything after this. Like, she just wants some penis and then she'll go home.
Yeah.
She'll go home to her family. She'll go home to whatever it is. It doesn't matter. You understand? But I really do like older women. Older women are to the point. Yeah, they're very to the point. They're straight to the point. Once you approach an older woman, she's not going to beat around the bush.
No
And you don't have
story.
to take her to 10 places before on a date.
No,
She's going to be like, hey, you're a
so-
young guy. I have an older
It's-
woman. Let's do it now.
So, yes. So,
Yeah. So, how do you discover that when did you discover that you have a fetish? Please, if it's when you were a minor, please don't tell me.
as a
Please
girl,
say 18.
actually, as a girl growing up,
At 18.
you should actually know what you want. Actually, you should actually know what you want, what you're going for, your type, who you want to be with, where you want to get to. So, with all those things, while I was growing up, I said, okay, this is the type of world, this is how I want it to be, and that's all. So, with them, I even discovered so many fetishes, like my food, swimming, his face, my ass, like saying crazy things, like.
You know what? Hey, tomorrow we're going to take a break real quick. And we're going to come back. Guys, we're coming back with this hot topic. But remember, guys, please use our hashtags on all our platforms. Hashtag XCave. We'll be right back with more of this exciting topic. Soon come. welcome back to our show, guys. If you're just joining us, we are discussing fetishes. And if you want to be a part of the conversation, please use our hashtag XCave. Zane, let us know your experiences. We are back, and we're talking to these lively guests, these live wire guests. It's all right, so here what. So, can people with fetishes enjoy sex without, administering these types of fetish? Yao, let me ask you. You said you like inflicting pain and you like getting pain because you get off on that.
Yeah.
Can you enjoy sex without any sort of pain being inflicted?
I'll say yeah. I could. I could go without it, but I prefer if I had the choice.
If you had the choice, you'd prefer
in
it.
most cases, I do. I feel like I do have the choice. Yeah.
Is it- as long as you're in charge, you're inflicting pain. But what if you meet a girl that does not like pain? How do you maneuver?
Then that's a bridge we probably cannot cross. So
You cannot
yeah,
cross.
Yeah.
Ooh, why not? Why not? Why not?
Because that's my thing, and I mean, if I'm to get a partner, I feel like you should be open to new experiences. So, as I am also into inflicting pain or receiving pain, I feel like I'll also be open to her fetishes if she has any.
Okay, what if it's her fetish? What is her
Yes,
fetish?
of course, I have.
All right, go ahead.
So, there's this nice balls. They are very attractive, but in a rubber form. Some comes, okay, call it vibrator. So, do you like it when I stick some into your ass? And
I'll have to draw the line there,
The line stops
I
here.
love pain, but like that's a step to.
That's in a
gay.
different direction.
That's not gay.
That's
No,
not gay.
that's never gay.
If it's done by a
No,
woman.
some ladies
Yeah.
do that to their men. They figure their man to the ass. That's not gay.
Yeah, I get what you're saying, but what if you do that to me and I end up liking it, and then I go out in search for more.
It's good.
I just end up becoming
you
gay,
You want to explore. Fetish is more of exploring. So if you know of that, if you go to another person, definitely he or she will teach you a new thing.
Yo, you're in a bind. You're in a bind, yo. You're in a bind. I'm not going to help you. I'm not going to help you. You're in the zone alone. So, as she's saying, right?
Yeah.
If, like you said just now, you wouldn't cross the bridge. If the
But
girl...
will you?
Well, no,
Will you allow a girl?
No, sweetheart.
No, not
No,
even
sweetheart,
do
no.
like.
No, it's fine.
No.
It's an exit only. I promise.
It won't hurt.
No, it's an exit only. I
Vibrator.
promise. Please
I will use a lubricant.
Please hold. Tomorrow. It's an exit only.
He said.
It's fine.
You said you're open
He
to.
said he would
He
oblige.
said you're open to new experiences.
Experiences, yeah.
So
No, I didn't say that.
there is a saying that when you go to Rome, you do what they do.
Uh-huh.
So if you're open to new experiences, whatever you just told me, so that's a new experience that you have to experience in order to,
Get her point.
So it's good.
Yeah, no, he said all of that. I didn't say any of that. He
But it's
said,
good
Ola,
if you. But will you?
Ola, he said,
No, I won't do that.
he said, he's open to, performing fetishes with his girl.
yeah.
Because, if she's not into pain or whatever it is, then you can't cross that bridge.
Yeah.
So if a girl, if a girl obliges you, right, and she says, okay, you know what, you're my man, inflict pain, and I will inflict pain, right?
Yeah.
But her what's the word
Inflicting,
for it?
yeah.
Inflicting pain means what she said with the ball, all the way up in that place that you use the
That's
toilet for.
The red zone, my red zone.
Huh?
My red zone.
Yeah, the bar zone.
Okay.
It's not a
What
test,
of being
though.
tied up?
I'm down.
Tied
with that.
up.
You like being tied up? You like
No,
being
I'm
tied up?
asking him. I'm in charge. You are being tied up. You are being tied up.
Yeah.
So poof, like this.
Hey, please. Thank you.
So like that, and you have, fetishes have some kind of. We don't wear normal kind of outfits. We have some kind of amazing, sexy leather kind of
Leather things
attractive.
and the mouth ball and the tire.
So
around
that
your
is
head
gonna
and you
show your dick. So you're gonna wear it like a pant. So you like being tied up, whilst
I mean, I don't like it, but I'm open to it.
You're like,
Is it?
why don't you like it, but you're open to it?
You want me to like it?
But you're fetish.
Hey,
No, I mean, that's yours.
I mean, no,
That's
it's not
guys, hold
mine.
on.
Like, when a girl,
Yeah.
Okay.
okay, like you, okay, you said you like older women. There's some older women that they like to be in charge. So if you are my baby boy and I like to be in charge, start spanking your ass with that thing.
No one's do that.
No,
Let me tell
you just
First
look like
things
a
first.
baby.
Let me tell you.
Being a fetish.
I don't like it when I have a hangnail. You understand? So I don't like pain. You understand? Let's get this clear. I do not like pain.
Not together.
Life is about pain,
No, no,
so
no.
you
No, it's
like
That kind of pain. I can choose
That is
that
not
pain
true.
and I don't choose it.
Hold on. First of all, I can't be tied up, right? I don't like being tied up because it makes me feel like
But you
I'm
would,
trapped.
okay,
Like I can't
you
move.
would
I'd be
tie
anxious.
someone up, right? You would tie a girl.
If they want.
You would handcuff me.
If you want.
Okay, so you like to be handcuffed?
No.
True back, why?
No,
But
I
you
do
handcuff
not
me.
like to be restrained.
So
I don't
you
like
like
to
to
be
be in
restrained.
control
Yes,
most of the time.
most of the time, all the time, if not all the
Must
time.
get boring, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It gets a bit boring.
Yes.
Doesn't it get boring?
No, not to me. No, not at all.
It does.
Not at all. No.
No, it does.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Not to me. That's
So
what I'm
that the
saying.
woman
guys.
has to shout at you and you have to say, yes, I must have sorry.
What are you saying? What did you
It
respond?
also turns her on. Like when a woman shouts at you, that's a
Yeah.
fetish. Some man loves that. It
Yeah.
makes them.
No, but you see, I don't like that. That's the thing.
He's the
You see,
call me
I'm not
daddy
a
kind of
prude.
people,
I'm not a
sure.
prude. I'm not a prude in any
You're the
sense.
call me daddy kind of people.
No, I don't want anybody to
call you
me
daddy.
daddy. Do not. Do not call me daddy, please. I don't like that. Do you like to be called daddy?
Yeah.
You like to call people daddy?
Yeah.
You like to call people daddy?
Yeah.
No, don't call me daddy. I beg.
Oh no, but if he wants to be called daddy, daddy
you'd
away.
call him daddy. So-
With a Z.
Oh, so you say zaddy.
Daddy.
He says daddy.
Zaddy.
No, but she says daddy and he likes to be called daddy.
I know what in fetish names actually matters. You can't call your girlfriend. Some guys angry when you call them some kind of names.
Okay.
But
Like what kind of names? What kind of names? Tell me.
Tell us.
fucking bitch, like all those kind of names that literally it will make your girlfriend pissed off on a normal day.
Oh, but during
assuming
sex it's different.
Someone at the age of 50 making a person feeling so good and ended up kind of baby, slapping someone's dad in the face, or actually even to the extent of even
What? Talk, man. Talk. There's no judgment on this show. You know. There's
Teach
no.
us.
I tell you,
Teach
it's
us.
too late for you to be shy.
Yes.
It's way too late.
So, on the name kind of thing, like we have names, things that you say during fetish that actually turns people on.
Okay.
The words that you say, communication,
It's key. You have to have.
Some people say your mother like
yes.
says-
That's what I say. You have to mind what you say because after that, there is humiliation in fetish. Because if I have to spit on your face,
Oh, okay.
but
okay.
some people
okay. I
will
mean,
just
I'm not going-
actually.
yeah.
And
Oh yeah,
just-
some people like that. Some people like
Yeah.
to be
Yeah, in the moment, yeah.
Yeah. People
So
like,
if I have to say, oh no, eat my pussy, idiots. No, because you're feeling it.
Yeah,
You just can't. And so if you actually got the person an idiot, it's a problem. But during that, it's cool.
it's cool. It's cool. So anything goes during that time.
Anything goes,
But
but you
after
have
the-
to know your limits.
Oh, you have to
And
know.
the
that. You have to
names
know
you-
safety words. You know
Yes,
safety
safety
words. Are
words,
you
yeah.
aware of safety words?
safety
and these
words.
things?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know,
Yes,
like if you
so-
watch the Kevin
yes,
Hart
I
and he says
do.
pineapple.
Let me
you don't
ask
mind.
a Tamara a question.
Yes,
Do
go
you
ahead.
like it when a man comes in front, like in your face?
Yeah.
I learned
Wait.
recently that that's people's thing.
Oh no,
I
I
didn't
like
know
doing
about
that. Too.
it.
I like doing that.
You like
yeah,
it?
man. I like.
We
both
are
that,
good
man.
as
But the
spoken.
thing is, I like.
When he
I
just-
like a girl who swallows.
That's
Yeah.
the for me. That's I'm gonna come out churchy,
Yeah.
whatever.
Swallow?
You know, so-
Like no, that's the thing. You know what? Like
Ah.
you know that's I'm gonna keep
Have you
that part of
swallowed
that
it before?
virginity. No.
Why?
Nobody has ever no. Like
Why?
that's the virginity I'm keeping for my husband.
What's the virginity?
What's
That's
Swallowed?
what, yes. That's my virginity I'm keeping
So
for my
have
husband.
you ever let the girl swallow your sperms before?
No.
You've
No.
never made a girl
No.
swallow.
Why?
before? Why not? You don't like that.
I mean, It's not something
No, you
that's on my
Hold on,
bucket list.
Tamara. Hold on, Tamara.
That's on your
It's
nose.
not something that's on my bucket list. I'll say.
It's not something on your bucket list?
Yeah.
really.
Oh, that's very strange.
Yeah,
I mean,
really?
not that it's strange. I'm
that's
not going to
what
say,
paying
hey,
for.
I'm not going to judge you.
It's different.
I'm not
What
going
do
to
you mean
judge
by
you.
strange? What do you mean by
I'm
strange?
not going to judge you.
What do you mean by strange?
No, because usually, you know, guys like to, you know, make
Really?
girls swallow their cum.
So,
Yeah, I
okay,
think
someone settled yours before?
he says it
What
like
did she
that.
tell you after?
What do you mean what she told me?
Yeah,
No, it
yeah.
depends. It's not one person.
No, but
Swallow-
if
the
I
swallow
have to
thing.
swallow your cum, I have to testify, babe. It tastes nice, sugary, bitter, creamy, all this kind of.
okay.
Oh, I
Yeah.
eat good food. I
Vanilla
eat good
chocolate.
food. So I have a good flavor.
So she have to tell you how it tastes.
I have a
Like,
good flavor. Oh. I have a good. I have a
So
good
sad.
flavor.
I don't even. I'm not gonna know how that feels.
You'll never know how that feels.
No, I've never
So
done
hold
it
on.
yet,
It's
but
never.
it's gonna
It's
happen.
never. It's never. You know, accidentally. You know.
Never.
Really?
I'm telling you the truth, like man.
Really?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see,
so
you know.
what if your boyfriend said, if you don't swallow my cum, then we done?
Then he goes.
Okay, good.
But yeah.
He goes, no, you can't do that.
Oh yeah, but
You
I can do
have
it though.
to please him.
Oh, but he has to please me too.
Why would you be a fetish and will not? No, it's a common thing.
I am not, okay. That's the thing, though. I am. I don't think I am. I have a fetish for this thing. Doesn't mean I am.
So he fucking you and you swallowing the sperms. No, it's even in the Bible. It's a sin. So you have to swallow it for it to be good.
Wow.
You don't have to waste it. Do you have to waste it?
Oh my God.
You have to
Oh, waste my
because the
children.
only listen,
waste my children.
the only way that you are wasting it because you don't want to get pregnant. And when you swallow it,
Don't worry. When I get married, I'll do
It's
it.
protein.
When I get married, I'll do it. I'll do it when I get married. No, I'm not saying
I
I'm
even
totally
learned,
against
like
it. You
some
get
even
me?
use it for facial kind of thing.
Wow.
All right, hold on, guys. Hold on,
Wow.
guys. Please, please. It's X-rated, but not XXX. You understand? So hold on. Let's ask a question. Let's ask a real question now.
Okay.
Zin, do you think Ghanaians are open about fetishes?
Yes.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely
Yes.
not.
Okay, yeah.
You think so?
Yes.
Oh, well, come
I
on.
think
I
so.
don't think. I think a lot of them do it.
Yes, they
I
do.
don't
lot of them
think
do what?
they're
They-
open
but they don't
to
even know.
fetish.
Some don't know
Don't
it's
know
actually
yes,
fetish.
It's fetish. It's fetish. Yeah.
Yao, let me hear from
Yeah.
you. Let me hear from you, Yao. Do you think Ghanaian girls are open with their fetishes?
I come again. Absolutely not.
All right, tell us why.
Because it's Ghana, you know.
What does that mean? Tell us what does that mean?
Ghana we day. Yeah.
Ghana we day?
Yeah, Ghana we day.
No, you see, I come from Jamaica, so you have to tell me what Ghana we day
Ghana
means.
has
People
gone
talk a lot.
beyond how we
Hold on,
did.
Tamara. Huh?
People talk a lot.
People talk a lot.
Yeah.
I'll just say people are.
No.
I
Yao,
disagree.
you have to give me something. Tell us why you think the girls are not open. Have you met some girls and
Hypocrites.
have you
Oh.
expressed your fetishes and she's withheld information?
I'm not getting your question right now.
I'm asking you, how open are the girls here about their fetishes?
I'll say they're not.
They are not.
Yeah.
Okay, tell us why you think that is.
Because people talk a lot.
People talk a lot.
Yeah.
What does that mean? You know,
Gossip.
Yao,
You're
People
saying
gossip.
people gossip.
no. Yao has to explain himself a little bit
People
more.
gossip
About what?
In Ghana.
about people's business.
Yeah, so what does that mean? Oh, if someone comes and they say, oh, you know, Kevoy and Etta or Tamara is sleeping around, I do not care.
No, not just sleeping around. Because we're talking about fetishes here.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
say, oh, you know, this girl did this particular thing with this
Changes
number of guys, then it just changes your perception of the person.
It changes your perspective.
Not mine.
Let me come in.
Not mine. The person.
Fetish is only done with your partner because most people are straight. Some people you can't just go and slap a guy and say kiss me. Some guys may slap you back. So it's a turn off for some people. So if I'm not open about my fetish to you, means you can't do it. You can't. But if I becomes open, meaning that I'm willing to do it with you, because fetish is something crazy. If you, my guy, and you like to pee on me, I don't think I could let any other guy pee on me. It's between me and you. And whatever we experience is difficult to get it from a straight girl, someone who has not experienced being handcuffed, being spanked, being chained all around, you know, all those dirty words.
Yeah, but I think I get Yao's point though. I think I get his point. He's saying that people are not so open because they don't, for the same reason, they don't like their business being outside, but people still talk. It's like, if I
Fetish
tell
is
Tamara
private.
today, I don't know her from anywhere, and maybe we just meet and we start talking and okay, I have a fetish for this and this and that. It's like she might go tell my business to Yao. Oh, this girl.
Fetish
So it's
is
basically
what you
hypocrisy.
like.
Yeah.
It's not hypocrisy. It's what you
Aha, I
like.
like that. I like what you said just now. It's what you like. It's
Yeah,
not-
it's
but
who
you
you
get
like.
the hypocrisy
So
I'm
if,
talking
if I
about.
go and tell like, yo, like me, like, you know, holding your hand.
Giving pain, being
Yeah,
mindful,
all
yeah.
those pain.
Yeah.
When you get to know him, you will know what he likes. So if you're a fetish, you get close to him. It's experiences. Like the world, you need to experience. You need to get closer to people.
Hey,
do
you
more.
said
want to clear.
you said earlier that you think the Ghanaians are open.
Yeah.
So obviously you're having a different
A different
experience from Yao
experience,
and
yeah.
Etta. Where do you come across these people that are so open about your fetish? Is it because you yourself are so open?
It's not because I'm so open, but most people are so open. Because when fetishes, like, example of what is meeting someone for the first time and having sex with a person. It's a fetish. Some people don't even mind. And okay, sleeping with someone at a public place is a fetish. Okay, so some people also like it when their clothes are being turned off. Is a fetish. Most girls in Ghana here can't deny that their guys don't tear off their clothes. They don't like being slapped. Some even like to be beaten.
Beaten as in with a belt.
Yes, when
yeah.
you're crying,
okay,
when you're
that
crying,
accent
that's
difference.
a fetish. And some do, it does happen. So when I say people are open about their yes, see, you see gays around. Those are their fetish. They don't get arrested. They are open. No, they're open. You don't know that
Wait a
they're
minute.
open, but they're open.
Are you calling gay relationships fetishes?
Yes, it's a fetish. Yes,
I think you have to do your research.
it's a fetish. Yeah, because if it's not a
open.
fetish, if it's not a fetish, in the Bible they even talk about a man
Hey,
and a woman.
sweetheart, hold on. Time. Why are we quoting the Bible at this point
Actually,
in
like,
now? I don't understand.
even being a fetish is even in the Bible.
Okay.
Because see, lesbianism is in the Bible, and lesbianism is part of fetish. Okay, masturbation is in the Bible, and masturbation
All
is
right,
part
on this, hold on this biblical note, we'll take a break, guys. We'll take a break. We'll come back very, very soon. You realize that this conversation is heating up. Guys, please use the hashtag XCave to get in our conversation. We'll be right back. Welcome back to XCave, guys. We're talking about fetish. My name is Kevoy, and we have some lively guests on our show. But we're going to take some comments from social media. We asked, have you ever come across a strange fetish? And here are some of the responses. So someone says, this German guy I had some date with liked me to wear my heels and dig them into his back. Wow. Hey, yo, get in there. So a guy I was talking to liked foot jobs. Basically a hand job, but with your feet. That's skill. That's skill. Someone says, I used to date a guy that like when I box him, box in Jamaica is like a slap in your face. So like when I box him in the face and grab his neck when we're having sex. Someone says, the toe eating. Someone said, when I was in the UK modeling, some white man booked me for a photo shoot and asked me to pee on him for 900 pounds. Wow. Can you imagine you pee for 900 pounds? This guy I met had a thing for short neck and elbows. What is that about? Guys, what do you think about the responses? What do you think about the responses? Those types of fetishes. Hey, I know you like the heels in the back thing. Hey, I know you get off on that. Hey. Yeah, I'll see a girl in spike heel and she's stepping on it and say, hell yeah, baby. What do you think? What do you think about it?
Yeah, I mean, the heels it's on a bit extreme.
It's a big extreme.
It's on a bit extreme.
It sounds a bit extreme.
Yeah, you know.
This is interesting.
Yeah.
This is
But
interesting.
you don't mind being with a needle. So how will a heel sound
What is
extreme?
on his back?
On his
Yeah, man, on his back.
Yeah, I'm sure though.
Yeah, that's a little strange. Eh?
Yeah.
No, but there are types of heels though. I could use
You can use
something.
this heel.
This
No, I
type
think,
of
I think he means stiletto. Stiletto is a
Yeah.
thin
Yeah,
one.
The
those
one with the
10 inches
pointed-
or 15
The one,
inches here.
the one that intrigued me the most was the one with the short neck and the elbows. That is very, very, very interesting to me. Short necks and
Yeah,
elbows.
I didn't
the
get
guy
that
like,
though. Like,
that's a fetish. You know, body parts.
oh,
So
okay.
you like body parts. That's a fetish. It's
Short
called
neck
partialism. Yeah.
and-
So short necks. It's short neck. You know, like when a girl
When
is.
a girl is like
she
this.
has a little bit of neck.
Oh.
She has a little bit of neck. You know.
Okay.
And elbows. I don't know. I don't know if it's just general elbows or it's just like a specific
Oh my
elbow or something.
God. Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, for the girl who got peed on for 900 pounds, she did it for the money. So.
No. She peed on the guy.
Oh, she peed on him.
That's easy money.
Why, that's easy.
If a girl tells me hey, she's paying me $100 to pee
To
on her,
pee on
yeah.
her. Yeah, that's very easy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, okay,
Let
so
it go.
so you think it's just work, pee, and you just pee.
Yeah, I don't need to be
I think-
aroused
No,
to pee.
no.
I don't need to be
no,
aroused to pee.
No,
Okay.
no.
What is that?
So when you come into, like,
Before you say anything, I know this is the good question, right? So, how do you bring up a fetish like that to someone?
answer, come again.
Yeah, how do you bring that topic to someone? How do you bring that to a partner and say, hey, pee on me?
Okay.
You say, hey, baby. You say,
Hi,
hey, baby,
baby.
this is tonight when I'm in the bed. I want you to just
Yes,
whip it out and just pee on me.
like you too. But you can't just say pee on me just like that. You need to be in your sexy costume. Smell so good. Be ready.
Smells so good to
Yeah,
be peed on.
he see you. So as long as when you're inflicting pain,
Yeah.
no romance, love, getting into it. That's it. Babe, I want you to,
You get him to the point where you can't say no anymore. You can't say no.
heal me.
Etta, is
Depending
that
on
the
where
same?
you want him to pee. So.
Is that the same for you? This is how you bring up your topic? This is how you bring up a fetish?
To be spanked?
Yeah.
Oh, like, yeah, when you, I don't.
Or in the
I don't-
middle
it's
of
not
it, you say,
like- it's not a-
spank me.
It's not a process. Like,
It's
it's
a
not.
process.
It's not a
It's not a
process for me.
Or it's just in the moment.
It's in the moment. Like, I just go with the flow.
Oh, so
Like
if you
what?
don't get spanked, it's okay.
Very okay. You didn't let me answer that question. Yeah, very okay. Like, yeah,
How?
I'm very fine. Like, I can have sex without getting spanked.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
So it's
You
not
don't
like
think
it
so?
has to always
How?
happen.
Yo, how do you say to a girl, hey, baby, I like it when you punch me in my face, eh? Punch me in my face, oh. Eh?
It's in the moment.
It's in the moment.
What
as
do you
well.
mean by it's in a moment?
I'm definitely not gonna get punched in the face,
Okay. Nah, I'm just being stupid. Don't worry, sir.
but yeah, in the moment, it just flows. I'll say.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You just say, baby, hey, pinch me, pinch my balls. Look at his face. Look at his face. Look at his face, guys. So let me ask you now. So if you're going into a marriage, right, and you have certain fetishes, would you go into a marriage with someone who is not on the same page?
Personally, in other not to.
I mean, yours is easy because
Really?
anybody can spank anybody, and once you say, "Hey,
Really,
baby, oh, spank me, baby," oh yeah,
Really?
it's easy. That's easy.
What if the guy doesn't like to spank a woman?
No guy.
No guy's not gonna say
No
it.
guy.
Unless he says
Well,
spank you in
you
your
guys-
face.
you-
then it's
Unless he
different.
doesn't.
You see, someone doesn't like to spank a woman. I
In
just
your
saw
face.
someone who doesn't like to spank a
Where?
woman.
Where did you see that?
Around
Really?
here.
You saw
That guy is so weird. No.
in the
Probably.
studio.
Yes, in the studio
I don't
right
believe
now.
that
Like,
one
yeah,
bit.
he's raising his
I
hand
don't
up.
believe that one bit. I will
Like,
ask
he's
the
raising his
people
hand
off camera, but hey, I'll ask them another time. So would you go into a marriage with you
So
know?
you're saying
For
I
me-
shouldn't answer? Or?
No, because yours is easy. I mean, it's just spanking, then it's fine. It's fine. Yeah. You go into a marriage with a guy that does not like guys.
Doesn't like that? No.
No.
Even if yes, I'll make sure you get into it.
What? See?
Yes, because there are couples. I have met couples that meet other couples for fetishes, like
Yeah.
couples that like to meet other couples to have an affair because they are couples. You understand? So if you are a couple and these two are couples and we feel we connected, we could swing. We could have swinging. We could swing. You could have my man. I could also have yours. And there are couples that also call So if I'm a lesbian, you get me a lesbian girl to make me feel good.
What if your man is not into that?
If I'm into what?
Into
Not into what you're into.
Into what I'm doing, then why
Yeah.
did you first place came in for me? No, it's relationship. You don't hide nothing from each other. So when you decide to get married, both of you know everything about each other. So I have to let you know things I do. You have to let me know things that you do also. So I can't get married and later on find out that she was gay. No, I can't learn to
know it from
understand.
the beginning.
Yeah, you understand. So even if I come home and see you, I could personally get you a very nice, clean gay. Not for you to go around fucking other gays, you understand? So if I'm married and my husband prefers to get me girls to, not for me to go out there looking for all those girls, then it's good.
Ah, so once he brings them home,
Good.
you're fine.
I'm fine.
Ah, I like that. I like that.
Some couples, that's it, yeah. So and it's good. It's
Yo,
good, it's not bad.
yo, you seem very quiet. Like you're just like, you know, I don't want to be a part of this. Tell us, yo.
Yeah, I would say just going into the relationship, you need to, you know, stay your terms, know how open your partner is into sexual activities, and from there we go.
I get you. But guys, I need your final comments.
Okay.
I need your final comments. Etta, we'll start with you. Final comment on fetishes. Tell us,
I don't think I'm like even the best person to give.
Nah,
them
I
advice.
want
but
to hear
I
it.
personally, I think that in a relationship, people should just go with the flow, right? Go with the flow and do not be shy about nothing, as opposed to what is happening in Africa, the country that we are in, especially. Like people get to be so shy to express themselves as to what they want, you know, in a relationship. But I think that it's okay, you know, because it will even help you be faithful to your partner, because it's like what you admire in maybe another person, you can get it where you are. So
True.
just be open and have fun. Life is short.
Yo.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll say, yeah, in a relationship, you should be open to exploring things with your partner. It will help strengthen the bond that you people have. And yeah, it's all fun and games till someone gets hurt, I'll say. So, yeah.
It's not fun and games. You finished? Are you finished? All right, Tamara, tell us.
Good for me and say there's nothing wrong about fetishes, and you shouldn't be bad. Like, you shouldn't feel bad about what you like, your fantasies. You understand? Because that actually it makes you happy. You know, it's like having sex helps build your own self. Your immune system needs it, your mind needs it, the body needs it. So,
are you guys
and
listening?
in as far as in as far as you're human, you have feelings, you should be open. Like he said, he's open to more experiences and more things. So you shouldn't feel shy. You shouldn't be embarrassed to let your partner or your husband knows your fetishes or your fantasies. Like, let me say fantasies. What you fantasize. So, because I believe that when you let him or her knows it's best, and it's also helping relationship growth. And that's all. So
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed yourself. I know I did for sure. But guys, join us next week. It's the end of our show, so join us next week or next time when we come back with some more interesting topics. My name is Kevoy Burton. You were in my cave today. I'll see you guys next time.